हाय व्यूअर्स, आई होप कि सब कुशल मंगल होंगे, खुश होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे. It is the second part and second video of UGC NET examination English literature past year question paper of June 2011. First 25 question I was already discussed in part 1. Now we will discuss remain 25 question in part 2. So let's start the video. Question number 26. The character Nathan Zuckerman is associated with the fiction of option is A. Norman Mailer, B. Saul Bellow, C. Philip Roth, and D. Bernard Malamud. Answer is C. Philip Roth. 27. Plato censured poetry because he believed it eliminates the ego, promotes sensuality, distorts reality, cripples the imagination. Answer is B. Promotes sensuality. 28. Which of the following Tennyson poem is a dramatic monologue? In Memoriam, The Charge of the Light Brigade, Crossing the Bar, Tithonus. Answer is option number D. Tithonus. 29. The character Gloveni features is one of the following texts. 1. John Cleland's Fanny Hill, Memoirs of a Woman of Pleasure. John Ford's "'Tis Pity She's a Whore". John Brayne's Room at the Top. John Eleven's Diaries. Answer is option number B. John Ford's "'Tis Pity She's a Whore". Which of the following poems features the phrase "the still sad music of humility"? A. Odd intimations of immortality from recollections of early childhood. B. Michel, a pastoral poem. C. The Solitary Reaper. D. Tintern Abbey. The answer is option number D. Tintern Abbey. 31. Molly Bloom is a character in James Joyce's option A. Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, B. Dubliners, C. Ulysses, D. Exiles. Answer is C. Ulysses. 32. Eliot uses the term objective correlative in his essay. Option A. The Metaphysical Poets, B. Hamlet, C. Tradition and the Individual Talent, D. Dante. Answer is B. Hamlet. Seamus Heaney was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year A. 1995. Answer. 34. The pamphlet on the Irish condition and address to the Irish people was composed by W. B. Yeats, P. B. Shelley, Jonathan Swift, G. B. Shaw. Answer is P. B. Shelley. Option B. 35. Which of the following arrangement of English novels is in the correct chronological sequence? पहले कौन सी नॉवेल आई लाइन से? आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी. सबसे फर्स्ट किम, सेकंड सन्स एंड लवर्स, थर्ड अ पैसेज टू इंडिया एंड फोर्थ ब्रेव न्यू वर्ल्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. Verses on the death of Dr. Swift is written by ऑप्शन है Alexander Pope, Samuel Johnson, John Gay, Jonathan Swift. So answer is option number D, Jonathan Swift. 37. Widower's Houses was written by Oscar Wilde, T.S. Eliot, John Galsworthy, G.B. Shaw. Answer is option D, G.B. Shaw. 38. Who among the following Marxist critics has reconsidered the classic problem of base and superstructure in relation to literature? ऑप्शन है एडमंड विल्सन, रेमंड विलियम्स, ल्यूसियन गोल्डमैन, वॉल्टर बेंजामिन. आंसर है बी, रेमंड विलियम्स. 39. Heteroglossia refers to the multiple reading of a text, the juxtaposition of multiple voices in a text, the comments on the margins of a text, the gloss or commentary relating to a text. Answer is B, the juxtaposition of multiple voices in a text. 40. Margaret Drabble is the author of The Memoirs of a Survivor, The Witch of Exmoor, The Service of Clouds, The Godless in Eden. So answer is option number B, The Witch of Exmoor. 41. Meg Flecknoe is an attack on Dryden's literary rival. Option Richard Flecknoe, Richard Flecknoe, Thomas Shadwell, John Wilmot, Matthew Prior. Option A B. Answer A B. Thomas Shadwell. 42. 18th century writers used satire frequently for 18th सेंचुरी के जो राइटर थे वो सटायर का यूज किस लिए करते थे, तो आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, अटैकिंग ह्यूमन वाइसेस एंड फॉलाइज. 43. Beran's The Vision of Judgment is a satire directed against. Answer है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, रॉबर्ट साउथे. 44. Tom Paines' The Rights of Man was published in B. 1791. 45. Andrew Marvell's An Horatian Ode upon Cromwell's Return from Ireland was written in C. 1650. The Rime of Ancient Mariner is about option D. Answer is the guilt and expiation of the ancient mariner. Two Daffodils is a poem written by answer A. Robert Herrick. 48. Which of the following novels reconstructs the historical events of the Indian Mutiny? Answer A. B. The Siege of Krishnapur. 49. England My England is a poem by answer A. W. E. Henley. 50. Shelley was expelled from the Oxford University due to the publication of answer A. B.